Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to buy Robux on PlayStation app. Now if you want to buy the Robux on PlayStation app but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now to buy the Robux on PlayStation app, it can't be simply purchased from the PlayStation app because Roblox is not available in the PlayStation. However, you can buy the Robux through other methods and use them on while playing on PC, Xbox or mobile. So to buy the Robux on PlayStation app, you need to simply open the Google Chrome on a device, and from there you need to go on roblox.com. so simply search roblox.com, and from there you need to log into your account. So wait for it to open. So after that you need to log into your Roblox account. So click on the option of continue app, or if you want to continue with the browser, click on the option of continue in browser. So log into your account and you will see the option of Robux icon at the very top of the place. So click on it and you need to select the amount of Robux you want to purchase. So let's say if you want to purchase the amount like 50 or 100 or 150 200 Robux, then you need to enter or select the amount of the Robux you want to purchase, and after that you need to choose the method of payment. Like you'll see the method of payment like credit card, debit card, PayPal, Google Play or Apple Pay. So after that you need to select the amount and you need to pay the certain price for it, and once the payment is complete, and the Robux will be added to your account. So you can use it on your PC, your mobile or your Xbox, or even on your PS4, PS5. So that's it. That's how you can buy Robux from PlayStation app. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.